I want to go to Birmingham and they're taking me on to cruise. Oh, Mr. Porter, what a funny man you are.
It's Christmas time in Melchester, and the Fat Controller has arranged for star of the silver screen, Will Hay, to switch on the Christmas tree lights in the High Street. Will Hay, in his latest guise as Station Master Porter, and his two cohorts, Harbottle and Albert, are hitching a ride from Buggleskelly to Melchester in this brake van. Meanwhile in the High Street, the tree is up, the 14th Division Melchester Undergardeners Brass Band is playing, conducted by Oliphant Chuckabutty, and Oh Mr. Porter is showing at the Empire. A special switch has been wired up, which will be used to switch on the Christmas tree lights. We're just waiting for the Fat Controller to introduce Will Hay. And here he comes.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I would like to thank the Mayor of Notlobia for once again sending this lovely tree that you see before you. And secondly, it gives me great pleasure to introduce the star of Silver Screen, Will Hay, to do the honours and switch on the Christmas tree lights. Please give a warm welcome to Will Hay.
Yes, what is it? It's my turn, yeah? Yes, well, some people call me Will Hay, but actually I'm Station Master Porter over from Buggleskelly, see? Do I get overtime for this job? Anyway, fancy giving a railwayman of my experience a godforsaken station like Buggleskelly in the middle of nowhere. Unfortunately, Harbottle and Albert are with me today. Anyway, as I was saying, after a brief spell as headmaster of Narkover School, that was before I was put away, I was sent away, I entered the police force, you see, and I had a lovely little setup there. Did a bit of a home brewing. Yes, well, anyway, the police station was at Harbottle Road, where I eradicated all crime. Well, at least that was before the chief constable woke up from his bump on the head. Fortunately, my sister, who was on the board of governors, you see, at Narkover, she pulled a few strings, and I ended up at Buggleskelly Station, you see. Hey, Fatty, Mr. Controller, is there a job going at Melchester? Because if there is, I want 3 square meals a day. Anything as long as there's nothing like early mornings or anything, but I'm not fussy. Anyway, enough of all that. It gives me great pleasure to light up these trees. Light up this tree. I mean, switch on the Christmas lights. So anyway, Albert, are you ready? Where is he? Anyway, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Geronimo. Yeah, that wasn't supposed to happen. Did you put those lights, Harbottle? Oh, you silly old fool. Look what's happened now. You wired up the wrong way. Here, sir, somebody get the fire brigade from Turnbottom round. Yeah, anyway, oh no, they closed, didn't they, after I left? Well, never mind, everybody. Happy Christmas, everybody, boys and girls. See you next year.